In the United States we say mother. In Canada we say mom. In Mexico we say madre. In Spain we say madre. In Brazil we say mãe. In Portugal we say mãe. In France we say mère. In Germany we say mutter. In Italy we say madre. In Greece we say mitera. In Poland we say matka. In Ukraine we say mati. In Russia we say mat. In Turkey we say an. In Egypt we say In Morocco we say In Nigeria we say mama. In Ghana we say mama. In Kenya we say mama. In Tanzania we say mama.